Hello, Nate Mullen. Hey, I'm here today at the world's largest supplier of outdoor living products, which is super exciting for me, and I know it's going to be exciting for you when you come and visit me here in San Marcos, California. Now, I'm here to showcase the Expander 1. It's by Lifetime Lighting System, sold to you by Direct Lighting Outdoor Lifestyle. Now, it's a CNC machine brass fixture. It's beautiful. Now, the intended use of this fixture is a wall washer. Now, what a wall washer means is you can see that the MR16 is flat up against the glass. So we supply you with a 60-degree lamp. Traditionally, when you buy a conventional uplight, it's going to be 36 degrees. So when you have a wide flood like this, you want to make sure that that light bulb is all the way pressed against the back of the glass so it doesn't trap any of the beam. Anyway, so the intended use for this fixture is washing walls, what's called a wall washer, front lighting, projecting onto different things, shadowing from a distance, trees from a distance, just basically throwing the light horizontal, probably no more than about 70 degrees. Now, this fixture incorporates several things. Now, we break things down into really two categories. Really, what's in it for you? Why do you want to purchase the fixture? What's in it for the homeowner, the end user? You know, and those things really go hand in hand simultaneously. They kind of handshake each other. So, what's in it for the homeowner? So when you're out there designing a lighting job, there's a lot of times that you have to sacrifice placement just for logistics on a job, and then you're going to get glare, or people move around their property. So the thing that we always give you is we always eliminate the glare. So if I take and I put this flashlight and I put it, and now you're looking into the beam spread because you're viewing it from that way, and we give you a hex louver, I'm able to eliminate all that side glare, okay? So for me, for you, and for the homeowner, we want to make sure we don't get this and we eliminate the glare. So that's big for the end user and that's big for you. All of our fixtures come with glare control devices. Now, we get a lot of feedback from the contractors. One of the things that they love is our load and lock stake. So just by twisting the stake, okay, and then removing the stake, all right, you can see that it's load and lock. So there's a keyway right here that when I do a quarter turn, I'm able to pull it out. So that's really a big labor savings, because one of the things that you guys all know when you're on a job site is when you're putting a stake on, you're twisting the stake like this, which causes the socket to turn, which then allows a loose connection. Stake breaks on the job site, you got to cut the wire. So we have this load and lock. You're going to notice on this stability base right here, this wide platform. So when you're putting it in any type of soil, sand, clay, loose dirt, mud, with this big stability base, it securely anchors it to the ground. That's a nice feature. Now, the other thing that we're going to give you right here is, because of this keyway system, we call it the M1 attachment system, we're allowed to put different attachments on it. Now, because this is really a wall washer, it will change in to a minimum of 3 fixtures that I like to, and the contractors like to do it. And one of them is putting it onto a dome base. So you take the lock and load out, you have a dome base, keyway goes in, it rotates, whoop, it rotates. Oh shoot, I got a screw in here. Rotates, I don't know if you do movie magic, and then we can turn it into a downlight. All right, so this fixture, because of its 60-degree angle, because of the hex louver, it works amazing alongside the house, paralleling sidewalks, doing different things. The other system it's made for is being able to put it onto a gutter bracket. So this gutter bracket attaches into the gutter, just like I've attached to this plexiglass. I call this a slot lock. You can see that this is a groove right here. It has a side and a side. The knuckle has a side and a side, and all you have to do is turn it. Slots go in. I call it slot lock, and there'll be no tools required when you want to put it into this grand bracket right here, and boom, now I can mount this fixture in the gutter, and I'm now lighting up the gutter and the skyline of the house, and I like to say keep the lines of the architecture of the home honest. So this fixture is really a wall washer in a downlight, in an uplight, in a side light position. Some of the other key things that we're doing here is it incorporates our 540-degree Bi-Axial, right? Which if every fixture does this, but because I have this cam nut on the inside, I'm allowed to rotate it like this. So I can get finite adjustment not only in the up position, but in that down position. Some of the cool things on this fixture, the contractors are really starting to enjoy, is this knuckle screws in and there's a nut on the inside. So I can take and I can replace the knuckle, and now I can put it on a fireplace mantle and I can have it in 3 key different locations like that. So that's really nice. It allows me to do a lot of things as a lighting designer. Okay, screws are captivated. That's really nice. A lot of fixtures in the marketplace, you take screws out of something, you lose them, you're done. And a magnet's not going to help you with a brass screw. We also give you 30 feet of wire, so I really need you to go to the 50% labor savings video, and this is going to be a key thing on how you save a lot of money on the install. We give you 30 feet of wire in a loopable attachment method, and you'll notice that the wire is brown and tan. So these fixtures are available now. We'll sell them to you in any quantity. A lot of contractors are liking buying the 6-packs. So you get 6 packs, 6 in a bag, into a box. I need you to go to lifetimellightingsystems.com. We're going to sell directly to you. We're going to ship it to you, whether it's being via to your shop or via to a job site. We make it easy to go onto the website, lifetimellightingsystems.com, where you can check out all of our LEDs, all of our fixtures, all of our transformers, all to save you a lot of money. And we like to say every dollar you spend with us, you're going to make 3. Anyway, here's to a brighter future. Thanks for paying attention.